Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott rear left and right shocks for various GM trucks, GMT K2xx with Magneride. This video will walk you through the steps to ensure a smooth installation of your vehicle's suspension system. Let's get started. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start the shock removal by raising the vehicle and supporting the rear axle assembly with the proper jack stand. Then disconnect the shock's wire harness from the vehicle. Now remove the upper and lower shock absorber nuts and bolts. You should now be able to remove the shock from the vehicle. Install the new Arnott shock into the vehicle and install the lower shock bolt and nut. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Now install the upper shock bolt and connect the shock's wire harness to the vehicle. Remove the supports and lower the vehicle to complete the installation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear shock of various GM trucks with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.